Algebra 2, Chapter 11 review for 11.3, page 602. We're doing 1 through 37, every other odd. So let's start with number 1. It says, is the given sequence geometric? If so, find the common ratio in the next two terms. Number 1 is 1, 2, 4, 8. So to find the geometric, we're just going to divide the second term by the first term. So when we divide 2 by 1, we get 2. When we divide 4 by 2, we get 2. When we divide 8 by 4, we get 2. So yes, it is geometric, and it finds the next two terms. So 8 times 2 is 16, times 2 is 32. Skipping 3, going to 5. I've got 10, 4, 1.6, 0.64. So 4 over 10 is 0.4. 1.6 over 4 is 0.4. And 0.64 divided by 1.6 is 0.4. So, yes, we have a geometric sequence. The next two terms would be 0.258, and the next term would be 1.1032. Okay, skipping 7, going to 9. So I've got 10, 15, 22.5, 33.75. So 15 divided by 10 is 1.5. And make my calculator a bit smaller, just to save me some time. 22.5 divided by 15 is 1.5. So I'm assuming the next term, 33.75 divided by 22.5 equals 1.5. So yes, it is a geometric mean. Not geometric mean, but it's a geometric sequence. So the next terms would be, let's see, 33.75 times 1.5, 50.625. And then the next term would be 75.9375. Okay, skipping 11, going to 13. Write the explicit formula for the sequence and then generate the first 5 terms. So a of 1 equals 5. The r is negative 3. So our explicit form is a of n equals a1 times r to the n minus 1 power. Okay, so I need to find a of 1, a of 2, a of 3, a of 4, a of 5. Well, a of 1 is given, so that's 5. We're just going to multiply everything by negative 3. So it's going to be negative 15, positive 45, negative 135, positive 405. Okay? Doing every other odd, so now we'll go to 17. We'll skip 15, go to 17. So a of 1 equals 100. Our r value is negative 20. So the equation for this is a of n equals a of 1 times r to the n minus 1 power. So that would be a of n equals 100 times negative 20 to the n minus 1 power. So it says write the first 5 terms. So I need a of 1, a of 2, a of 3, a of 4, a of 5. Alright, so a of 1 is given, 100. So we're going to multiply that by 20, the negative 20, so it's going to be negative 2,000. Going to multiply that by negative 20, so it's going to be 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Going to multiply that by negative 20, so it becomes negative 80. 1, 2, 3, 4. Going to multiply that by negative 20, so it's going to become 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Skipping 19, going to 21. So a of 1 equals 10, and r equals negative 1. So my explicit equation would be a of n equals a of 1 times r to the n minus 1 power. So a of n is going to equal 10 times negative 1 to the n minus 1 power. So a of 1, a of 2, a of 3, a of 4, a of 5. Well, a of 1 is going to be negative 1 to the 0 power, which is 1, so that's 10. A of 2 is going to be negative 10. A of 3 is going to be 10. A of 4 is negative 10, and a of 5 is 10. Pretty simple. Just plug it in. Skipping 23, going to 25. Find the missing term for geometric. So it goes 3 something, that's missing 0.75. Well, m is just the square root of the product of 3 times 0.75. So 3 times 0.75 is 2.25. The square root of 2.25 is 1.5. Okay, does it say find anything else? Nope. 27, 29, we're skipping 27, going to 29. It says, identify the sequence as arithmetic, geometric, or neither, and then find the next two terms. So 25, 50, 75, 100. Well, if you subtract 50 from 25, you get 25. 75 from 50, you get 25. So it's a common difference of 25, so that's arithmetic. The next two terms would be 125 and 150. Skipping 31, going to 33. Identify it again. So this goes 2, 1, 0.5, 0.25. Well, I can see right now I'm going to have a common ratio of 1/2. Okay, so it's geometric. I have a ratio or an R value of 1/2. So my next term is going to be 1/8. And the next term after that is going to be 1/16. Skipping 35, going to 37. Find the missing term. 16, 683. I'm missing 3 terms, and the last term's 243. Okay. Alright, so I said it wrong. That's really 19,683. Well, the geometric mean of this number and this number would be this number. So let's do some math. So, get our handy dandy calculator out. So we're going to go the square root of the product of 19,683 times 243. So that's 2187. So 2187. So now let's find the geometric mean between those two numbers. So 2187. So square root of 2187 and 243. 729. So that term is 729. 729. All right, now I have enough. So I can do last term over first term. So 243 divided by my answer, which is going to be 729, equals 1/3. So to find my first term in this would be type in 19683 and divide that by 3, and I get 6561. So my next three terms are 6561, 2187, 729, and my common ratio was 1/3. All right, that concludes 11.3 review.